Congratulations, you already know how to download and install Revit and how to activate the license. That is step number 1. And now let's launch the Revit and jump into home screen. So on your desktop, you will find Revit versions, whatever installed in your PC. In my case, I have Revit 2024, 25 and 26. So click on Revit, whichever version you want. So I'm opening Revit 2026 by simply double clicking it. Or you can go to the search and type here Revit 2026. It will again take you to the Revit open link. Click on open. As simple as that. It will load. So you have to wait for some time. And this is where you land, the Revit home screen. On the right hand side, you will see the recent file, and it will show the recent projects which you have worked and the recent families which you have worked. So these are all the model components. Families means model components like doors, windows, anything, and models means the complete project, and it will show up here, and you can open those recent files by simply clicking it here. And on the left hand side you will find 4 buttons. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4 with open new, 2 under models and 2 under families. The difference between model and family is that this open and new is used once you want to open a new project or you want to open an existing project. For example, on the left hand side, you can see a building model or a project is open. You can open this by clicking on this open button, or you can, if you want to create a new project, then simply you have to click the new button under models. Okay. But if I have to work on a particular model component like this door, then I will simply open the particular model component and I work on this specific door. Okay. So for that, I have to go to open in families, or if I have to create new one from here. So families is used for model component and models is used to open and create a new project. And below that you will find Autodesk Docs. If your company works with cloud-based collaboration, which is very common in US-based projects and Gulf BIM projects, the model will be hosted in Autodesk Construction Clouds. Modern BIM projects increasingly use cloud platform instead of only local files. And below that you will see Revit My Insight. This feature shows you how you use Revit, and it analyzes the command you use and suggests smarter, fastest way to work. And below that you will find a new Revit Home option button, and this will toggle you from updated interface of your home screen to the classic view. So you can just simply on and off, or you can simply leave it off if you want the classic view here. And on the very top you will find a Revit Home button, and this is called as Home toggle. If you click, it will take you to the open project and the open family component. But if you again wants to jump to your Revit home screen, click this and it will take you back to the home screen. The shortcut key for home toggle is Ctrl D. See? And that's your Revit home screen. In the next video, we will learn how to open a project or how to create a new project and the project template and what is the Revit interface, and we will jump into that, and we will learn how to navigate like a BIM professional. So before we go, I would like to ask you a question. What is a project file and what is a family file? I want to see your answers in the comment, and I will hit a like for those whose answers are very close. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you on next video. Thank you. Bye.